Good morning, boys and girls. So I've created a video to go over Kami again. I know that some of you had a problem with it yesterday, and that's okay, guys, because again, it's something new, okay? All right, so let me show you how this works. So I'm in my fake student account, and if I go to classwork, and I see there's an assignment there, okay? I see two things here. So I have Kami and Google Classroom. This is just a little help tip sheet if you need it, okay? What I do want you to understand is each computer is a little bit different, okay? So when I show you mine, yours might just be a little bit different, but you should still be able to get there. So before I go into the assignment, I do want to encourage you that whenever it's asking you to have access to your Google Drive, yeah, allow it. If it wants access to other apps on your computer, yeah, you can allow it. This is an app that the school has purchased because it is a great app. And the other thing is, once you get into your PDF document, as you're clicking yes, to accept everything, if it says run OCR, blue box, run OCR, yes, go ahead and click that box. All right, so anyway, here's the assignment. I know it's a PDF because it says PDF down here, okay, and I see the red triangle. So I'm going to click into this, okay. Now, most of you should have it right here, open with Kami. All right, if you do, you're just going to open it with Kami. If you don't see Open Kami right up here to the top right, I want you to come over, and then you're going to see this box that says Open With. Now, I want you to click the arrow, and again, you're only doing this if you do not have this over here. So if I click on the arrow, there should be Annotate with Kami. Okay, it's the same thing. So if you don't have this over here, you're going to click on this arrow and Annotate with Kami. Now, when I had you in class, everyone was able to get into Kami. If you don't see that, you can click Connect More Apps. Okay, and I'm going to type in Kami, K-A-M-I. And boys and girls, when it's spinning, it's working. And if you have to go that way, you're just going to click on this one, Kami PDF documentation. But I don't need it because I have it here. And I have it here. All right, so here's how I do this. Open with Kami. Now, this one has come right into the document because I've opened other Kami documents. So it didn't ask to go into my Google Drive or allow access because I've been into it. But if you get any of those cautions, yes, allow. All right, so you're going to be doing these problems. I would tell you do it on scrap paper and then write your answer here. Now, again, if I want to highlight something, I can highlight it. If I want to add text, I'm going to click on the text box. I would go 24. Type your name. This guy is Mentor 03. Okay. Let's say I want to solve this problem now. I'm going to put my cursor there, click, and my text box is there. And I'm going to put my answer. Okay. This arrow key will get you out of the text box, and then you can scroll down on your document. Okay, if I want to put a text box here, hit the text box, blue, and guys, you can change your font. If you want to make it blue or red, I'm okay with that, and type your text here. Okay, and again, you go back to this, that way you can keep scrolling down. Now, when you're done, you need to turn it in. Okay, now, if you don't see turn in, you want to save it, okay, and it should be auto-saving for you. All right. So, here's how you turn it in. You click on Turn In, and it shows the student name, okay, and it's showing where it's saving, and I'm going to click Turn In. Now, as this is moving, okay, saving to Google Drive, it's working. You need to take your time and let the system run through. Once you see Done, then you know that you've turned it in. If you realize you made a mistake, you can go back and hit Unsubmit. Okay, so I'm going to click Done. And if I go back to my Google Classroom and I refresh my page, if I go back into this assignment, you're going to see it was turned in. Okay, so, all right. So here's what I'm telling you guys is I know that yesterday some of you struggled, and that's okay. No big deal. Kami is something that we're going to be moving forward with and using a lot of, okay? If you still struggle, if you need a one-on-one after school, let me know. I don't have a problem with that. All right, boys and girls, enjoy your day. And if I don't see you or talk to you, I hope you have a great weekend.